Hi, this is Lou from Lou's Guy Stuff. Are you in the market for a new or used boat, motor, or trailer? Then go see Monty and take advantage of the great deals on Excel, Stabicraft, Klamath boats, and Tohatsu motors. Call or go see Monty and tell him Lou sent you. 360-552-2561. Again, 360-552-2561.